Hello, down here in my lab working on another project. What you're looking at here is an EMF detector that I built using an Arduino. Now this is the Arduino revision 4 Wi-Fi, but you can use an Arduino Uno. It's backwards compatible. What you're looking at here is a little antenna, and there's 10 LEDs going from red all the way to green, or actually say green all the way to red. Green will indicate that it's low EMF, red will indicate that it's high EMF. What you're looking at here is a plasma ball that will generate electromagnetic frequencies, EMFs, and there's gas in here, a low pressure gas, and I think it might be like argon or something like that. But when you apply electricity of it, it actually creates plasma so you can visually see the electricity, but at the same time it emits EMFs, and that's what this Arduino will do. It'll detect the level of EMFs, and I have LEDs to signify that in colors, and basically green to red, and again that's from low to high. And I have a running off a battery pack, just so you know that I'm not goofing around or making this fake. So what I'll do is I'll turn on this, and there you go. You can see though, it's going up here. If I get this closer, just go higher, yeah, higher here, all the way up to the top. If I pull this away, see how it's going. And I get it closer. So there you have it. EMF detector using an Arduino. If you want to find out more, you can visit my website. I have the code and pictures and the explanation of how to build one yourself. All right, have a great day.